Boronano used to have extremely soft, nimble hands. Fingertips dipped in cornstarch slurry, she would secure the corners of samosas into triangular perfection, fold the translucent skin of pulipita onto itself, creating a seamless scalloped edge, and press spoonfuls of meat gently between her palms, shaping them into billowy tikiyas. I vividly remember her Singer sewing machine and her container of threads and needles disguised deceptively as a tin of Danish biscuits. Boronano was a master of many crafts, maker of many hats. I was too young to comprehend her departure, too quick to push aside those memories, but I could never forget the love she poured into every sweet, the care she stitched into every blouse. Practice makes perfect, she'd tell me. From her, I learned about patience.